Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Stock Market Analysis presented by Ray Financial. Today is October 6, 2016. It's a Thursday. Alright guys, so in front of us we have the chart of Nifty, and my sincere apologies to all the subscribers who were trying to look for the September video. Actually, I could not post the September Nifty video because I was really busy. But anyways, let's just get straight into Nifty. If you will look into my August Nifty stock market analysis, alright, you will clearly see that I had marked out great levels and I told you till where the market is going to move and from where it's going to start pulling back, like which would be an area where we feel that the market is like reached its top and now probably we will see selling. So one of that area was clearly the highest Nifty ever went, which was around 9,115 or 16, whatever you want to give and take. And I said that between 8,922 and between 9,100, that's where Nifty will enter, and that's when you will start seeing the pullback. Now, if you see, I'm going to mark it more clear for you guys so that you all can see. I'm gonna take this. Let's do it in a nice red color. So it was the highest Nifty ever went in its entire lifetime, which was around 9,115 give and take. All right, and this was the zone where I felt like Nifty will enter into, which is 8,900, and once it enters into 8,900 and it is in between 8,900 and 9,100, okay, that's when we will see the pullback. Now, what is the reason for that? Number one, okay, it's a double top. Number two, it's a very, very important resistance level, because the last time Nifty went into this area or into this price zone, all right, it started to fall back and it fell all the way from the high to the lows of 6,900. Okay, now let's see how exactly this thing has panned since then. So I'm just going to zoom in. We have our levels marked. I'm going to put those lines again so you have a clear picture. So this was the high, and this was that zone where we started to enter into. Now, if you notice, once we entered into this zone, the market started to drop. Okay, and the market dropped like really quick. You can see the gaps. You can literally see that from 8,932 levels, the market came down to 8,700 levels and went way below in the last in the couple of days back. It went to 8,581. Now you see that the market is moving up and down. But are you analyzing that there is a certain kind of a trend being formed in the very, very short term period? Yes, there is a lower low, lower high. It's a pattern which basically indicates that it's in a downward phase, but I am not saying it is going to go really down, but it is just a very short term downward phase, and I'm going to mark this out. So we were at this high, we came down, so that was a lower low. This is a lower high, lower low, lower high, okay, and the market is again going down. Now the question is, where is this market going to head? Is it going to go down further, or it's going to go up? We are just not sure about how this market is going to react, right? So let's just keep the simple fundamentals. Where was the area where the market broke previously and it started to really rise up? Now that area was this particular, let me just take the color. Okay, so you see the market has just been very choppy, and it was like there was no upside, there was no downside. It was just moving left and left, right every single day. So let's mark out this area in white. So if you see, it's up, it's down, it's up, it's down. So this was the area where the market was really. but which was the actual point from where it broke through? All right, it started to break right from this candle, which I'm going to mark in another. Let's take a yellow. So you see this particular candle. Okay, so basically when Nifty reached 8,581, the market popped, and it went up. Okay, and it went up so quick. Okay, from there it went all the way into 8,900 levels. It went really quick, right? But now you see that the market is coming down, and if you see that this, from the place it started to go up, it actually became a support. So what I mean to say is, when the market is coming down, okay, once it came back to this 8,581, it's like a magical number. The market again started to go up, okay, and now it's coming down. So are we going to break further, or are we going to go down from this particular place, which is now the magical number 8581? Is it going to go below 8581, or is it going to go above 85? I mean, it's already above 8581, but the question is it going to break 8581, or is it going to now continue from 8,700 levels? And we are live right now in the market. So let's just get there. Okay, I'm going to remove all this. You guys have seen your zones. You have I've already marked out the levels that you need to be focusing on. So let's like go a little bit further. Okay, now let's go to the weekly chart of Nifty. If you see the weekly chart, all right, let's look a little bit in the past. When the market was when the market made a high here back in the 2007 2008, all right, the market slipped down. The market again came back up. So now this was a double top on the weekly. You can see that the market came down, and it really like came down from this level, which is about 6,300, and it came down all the way to 4,000. I would say 4,500. Okay, I'm not going to get really into it, but you saw that the correction was pretty huge. Now since then, all right, the market has just gone up. There has not been any real serious correction. So what do we see now? We see that Nifty made a new high, all right, the market corrected, all right, the market bounced back up, and again it's come back into its previous high. So isn't this like another double top? So what do you think? Is the market going to go down? Well, let's see. For me to really understand that yes, this market is going to go down further, I need certain indications. Indications like let's see now. First of all, it needs to break that magical number, which is 8,551. So basically, I think let's just be on the safer side. If it breaks 8,500, I can see Nifty coming down. So what's the first area that Nifty will come down to? Okay, it's going to probably come down to like let me get into the daily, so we get clear picture of it. Okay, so I'm gonna mark it out for you guys, so you can see, you can analyze, and you can trade and invest safely. So here we are. The market took off from this point, the 8551. If we break this, all right, we'll see the market come to 8,300. Why 8,300? Again, let's see the last time the market took off, and the market took off from here. Okay, so this is the magical number. So if the market comes down to 8,300, you will see it moving back up. All right, because last time when the market was at 8,300, it really moved up. All right, so we expect the same thing once it comes down to 8,300 and really move up. I'm not saying that if once the market comes down here, it's going to go back to 9,000, but you have to wait. You have to play it patiently. All right, so this is one level, 8,300. If we break 8,551 or 8,500, let's just be a little bit on the safer side. If we break 8,300, okay, then obviously 8,000 is our next level where we can see the market bounce again. Why? Because you see from here the market started to move up again. So this is your next magical number. And after that, if the market is still going to go down, well, you have about like 7,700. But you know what, this is too far into the picture. I mean, look at it, guys. 1,000 points on the Nifty happening in 1 month. No ways, right? So let's just focus on 8,500, and let's just focus on 8,300. Let's just see how it happens. All right. And if the market's going to come down, it's going to go back up a little bit. That's called retracement. You guys, I'm sure you know how the retracement works. So besides that, this is the market analysis. What about the upside? Okay, let's even cover the upside. What do we feel about that? So I'm going to remove the downside levels, okay, and we're going to go on the upside. So in order, okay, for the upside to work, let's make a nice trend line. So let's choose red. So this is your downward trend line. Okay, now for us to move in the forward direction, all right, we need to break this level. Now that level, I'll have to just remove this quickly. Okay, let's see what that level. That's 8,800. Okay, so guys, if we break, okay, this is better. Let's get that red line again. Okay, so if we break, that's the downtrend, and let's get the green line. So if we break 8,800 levels, like I just discussed, then what are we looking at? Let's take a nice yellow. Okay, so if we break, then obviously this area will again become resistance. If we break that, then yes, we will go to the high of Nifty, which is 9,116. And if we break that, then yes, you will see Nifty going into newer highs without fail. Okay, now I want to share something amazing with you guys. If you all had seen my video in August, I had recommended a script. It was called Himalayan International. The script for that is HIMALINT. Okay, I'm gonna open part of the video, and I'm gonna bring it here so you guys can see it for yourselves. So I'm gonna just close this. Here we are. This is my video. Okay, and 13 bucks. I should have sold it, but I just got a little greedy, and now I'm holding on still in profit at 42%, and I'm just hoping that this stock breaks and goes to the 22 level, and that's when I will start selling my positions. So it's holding for now. I am a long-term guy, so I'm not going to go crazy and just close my positions. Also, I'm quite disappointed with okay, there you go. What did I say, guys? I'm going to hold it. It went to 13. I did not sell it, but like I said, I'm a long-term guy, and let's see now what Himalayan is actually doing. Okay, I'm going to get this window back up, and I'm going to move the script to Himalayan. Now see the beauty, guys. See the beauty in this. This is on the daily chart on 13 bucks. Okay, Himalayan International. All right, that's the same script that I showed you a video of. Okay, now from 13 bucks, this stock, all right, it went to the highs of 23. You see this? That's their 23 level, and I gave this out in August. All right, so August, September, and we are in the first week of October. The stock was well, let me just see how much the stock was. It was 10 bucks. Okay, it was 10 bucks in August, August 2nd, and it's October 6th today. So from 10 bucks, it went to 23. Now guys, that is a 100% return if you would have invested and you would have held on, just like me. Instead, I had bought the stock when it was like around the 7 rupees, 8 rupees. So for me, it's been like it's been a crazy day, and I've been enjoying it. So guys, stick to stick to the right companies, invest properly, and hold on. Stock will fall down, stock will go up, but if you're patient, you will always get rewarded. So that's it, guys. I don't have much for today, but just be careful. If you want to know what I have been trading off late, actually I've not been trading anything off late. I've just been buying a few stocks here and there, and I have been selling the ones that are in profit, because I'm really not sure where this market is headed, because I see that double top. Okay, I see this double top on the weekly, and I don't want to get stuck. I don't want to be the one who buys at the high point and then the market falls and you're just stuck. So be careful, invest wisely, and take the right decisions. If you need any help, feel free to post a message on Facebook or YouTube, and I'll try my best to respond. And once again, my sincere apologies that I could not release the video for September. I was extremely busy, and I will try my best to release videos the first of every month or the first week of every month for you guys. Alright, thank you guys, thank you for watching, and hope you have a great trading day. Take care, bye.